Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to show you 3 of my favorite exercises for absolute beginners at the piano. These are exercises that I often give to piano students just starting out, and they're meant to really help you gain fluency, coordination, and strength in your playing. And they're very easy to play, so we're just going to go through them step by step, one by one. The first exercise we're going to do is called a trill exercise. This simply involves alternating quickly between 2 fingers on the piano. And we'll begin by placing our hand on the keys C, D, E, F, and G like this. And we're going to play first between the notes C and D. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to the next combination beginning with the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to the next combination, and so on. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do that, of course, you should do that as well with the left hand. 1, you can start from the top, just in the symmetrical motion from what you did in the right hand, and then 2 and 3, and so on. Always working on keeping a really nice steady tempo and playing very evenly. And now we're going to, once you've got that going very well, do it in both hands together. So I take the notes C and D in my right hand and my left hand, and I'm going to play now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, going up to the next combination, 3, 4, 1, all the way up, and then you can come back down as well, going from G to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and back down to F and E now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea. Now let's go on to the second exercise. This one is one of my favorite exercises, even for professional pianists, because it really helps develop the independence of the fingers. This is how it works. Again, we're going to take 5 notes, C, D, E, F, and G. And what we're going to do this time is we're going to play our thumb and keep it held down. And while we keep that note held down, we're going to play the other 4 up and down like this. D, E, F, G, F, E, D, E, F, G, F, E, and so forth. All the time, I'm keeping my thumb held down. Now we're going to go to the next note, and now it gets a little bit trickier. I'm going to press the D down, and I'm going to keep the D held down while I play the other notes. And if you're like most people, you'll probably find this a little bit difficult at first to keep that second finger held down while the other ones are playing, but that's completely normal. We're going to go through that with every finger. The same thing with the third finger. You play the third finger, keep it held down while you play all of the other notes around it, like this, and so forth. You do that on the 4th finger, on the 5th finger, and in the left hand, as well as in the right hand. And it really does amazing things for building up independence of the fingers at the piano. And now the final exercise. And the final exercise is what we call thirds or parallel thirds. A third is this interval on the piano with 1 white key in between, a C and an E, for example. And I am going to again put my hand in this position with C, D, E, F, G. And I'm going to play this third, C and E, and then I'm going to go up to D and F, and then up to E and G, and then back down again, and up. And all the while, you're watching to be sure that those notes stay nice and connected. What you don't want to do is to play them like this, really disconnected. You want to be sure that you're really connecting the fingers of those thirds. And when you have it going well, see if you can move the tempo up and start doing this. And the same thing in the left hand. We put our fingers on the notes C, D, E, F, G, 1 octave lower, And you can start from the top this time, also with your first and third fingers, and then 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, going back and forth, up and back down again. A really, really great exercise for building up coordination in the fingers. I hope that this video has been of some help to you. If you're looking for a comprehensive piano course, which will give you graded exercises and theory and repertoire examples that you can play, check out petersonpianoacademy.com. You can start the first couple levels for free. Have a great day.